Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Welcome to all of you in Dar-e-Arqam school. Class 3. Today our topic is how to make a jam sandwich. This activity is from the textbook page number 19. After watching this video, tell your partner how to do something like how to serve biscuit to a visitor, how to pack your school bag, how to put on your school uniform, and how to change the refill in your pen. I will tell you how to make a jam sandwich. For making a jam sandwich, we need 2 slices of bread, a knife, and a jam. Now let's start. First of all, we take 2 slices of bread. Open the bottle of jam. Take some jam from the bottle like this and start spreading this jam on the slice of the bread like this. But if you like more jam, then again take more jam from the bottle and spread the jam on the whole bread like this. Here I am using the mango jam because I like a mango jam. But if you like apple jam or orange jam, you use it. It's your choice. Okay, now put one bread on the other slice of the bread. Now our jam sandwich is ready to eat. Yummy! It's tasty. After watching this video, try this at home and tell me how it was made. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.